Hey everybody, this is Sandy with Cartoons and Disney, and here's Robbie. We are at Magic Kingdom in Orlando, Florida, and there's the balloon lady. She's got all kinds of pretty balloons. So I see Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. It's windy, so the balloons are going everywhere.
Fechado, né? Com a cadeira nessa parte. Aqui, mais um café.
Yay, balloons. I see Disney Princess and
Aí é
I guess I need to go over where they're in the sunlight. Hold on. There they are. There's the balloon lady. Everybody who likes balloons, they have them at Disney World, and it's so much fun, especially when it's windy and they're kind of trying to keep them from blowing away. I'll see you on the next video.